Hello, good evening, everybody. I hope you are well and you are ready for today's doubt class. I think after a long time, I'm doing doubt class today. So, if you have any doubt or question to ask, you can ask. So, here I can see a few people are here who join on exactly time. So, Kaise Jahan, good evening. Shaheen Parveen, good evening. Kayum, good evening. And Nitesh, good evening. So, people, if you want to ask anything related to our learning, related to our means any topic, you can ask. If you have any doubt or question, you can ask. This is an opportunity for you where you can ask as per your own choice on your own topic. Rashi, good evening. Or if you don't have anything to ask, you can say, I'll be quitting this session just now, just here. Kayum he is asking that sir we are having trouble speaking English. See Kayum, for this the best thing is practice. Where you are struggling, I can say because I'm listening you for last 1 month I think. First thing, please be regular. Learning means if I talk about English speaking, it's about practice. How much practice, how much regular practice you are going to do, that much you are going to learn here. Okay, so for this, you must be regular in class. Take care of second thing that you must present in every discussion. For this, you need to join on time. Third thing, where you are lacking a lot, that is sentence structure. I have suggested you a lot, means many times that why don't you make translations? So it's my suggestion for you that please make translations at least 3 pages per day for 1 month. See if you are getting any benefit. If you're not getting any benefit by making 1 month, let me know. I'll suggest something else as per your means level, as per your requirement. I hope you are getting the point, Kayum. This is very important right now for your level, that you make translation. You can buy any translation like Oxford Essential, and there are many more books. You can choose any easy book to make question to make translation. It will be very much helpful for you. Okay, so I hope you understood. Now Ritesh Singh Mehta, so I want to ask a question. Yes, Ritesh, please ask your question. I was waiting for your question that you'll ask. I think there's nobody except Kayum and Ritesh. If anyone is there who really want to learn something, who really want to ask something, who has any doubt in my lesson number 1 to 4 in English speaking, if you have any doubt in grammar section, I have done 10 topics till now. So if you have any doubt there, you can ask that also. My question is versatility in job. I'm confused when I am watching your video. Okay, so this last topic is basically versatility means things changing with time. See, earlier people were doing job. If you yes, versatility. Best example I'm going to give that is bank's job. If you'll ask your father that at their when they were young, at the time banks were doing all the things on notebooks. They were maintaining long and very thick registers. There was no any concept of computer. Later on in the same job, they started working on computers. At the time they used to store memory means hard disks. They used to store. Right now in our generation, in our era, what is going on? Everything is online. They are putting data online. They need to store nothing. This is versatility. I'm telling you the meaning of versatility. Versatility means changing things with time, updation of things, updating things. Now if I talk about my topic, my lecture in that video, so it is about job. If I talk about the people, so what is going on in job? Earlier, there were a few jobs, only 10 to 20 jobs, but right now there are many jobs. Later on, more jobs will open. But the thing is, what is versatility? Why I put this topic? See, in this world, any job is not going to uh, means any if there in this in our era or in our time, if there is a job, it is not going to be for more than 40 or 50 years. After 50 years, that job will not be there. Okay, suppose that the job of I gave one example in that video, like the person who used to connect calls. If I'm calling you, then there is a person caller, means you can say that person works like a manager, means you can say call connector. So that person used to connect my call, will connect my call with Ritesh. Then Ritesh will be able to talk with me. But right now it's very easy to call. I'll just dial your number and I will talk with you. So job of a caller or means call joiner ended. Right now there's a different job of a suppose a courier person. Earlier there was no any concept of courier, but in this 20 years, courier boys are there now. New job, online shopping, delivery boys are there. Before 10 years, there was no any concept of delivery boys. Did you understand that? But right now, there is a concept of delivery boys, and delivery boys are there right now. But before this time, it was not there. I don't know. You shared that the thing Dr. Graham will change the rule of calling. Okay, actually, there is a story that before means 20 years when actually base phone invented, Graham Bell invented the phone. Then they used to call by name. Hello, call Ritesh. Hello, call Shaheen. Hello, call Qayyum. So what happened? A friend of Graham Bell said that if you will use name, you'll not be able to give this service to many people because there are not only one Ritesh. There are many Ritesh. There is not only one Shaheen. There are many Shaheens. So why don't you search and find another concept? So what he did, he removed the name concept and they put over there number. Now I will call you by number, Tish, right? I'll not call you by name on mobile phone. My mobile phone know you by number, but not by the name. So this is the story. This is the concept basically. Okay, Shaina. Okay, Shaina, you want to ask a question? Fine. Why must we use correct title for people? Okay, Shaina. Hello, Mr. Shaina, how are you? If I'm saying Mr. Shaina, would you like to listen this? So Shaina, if I'm saying Mr. Shaina, if I'm saying hello, Master Shaina, would you like to listen that? No. But if I'm saying Mrs. Shaina, would you like to listen that? If you are married, then you like. If you're not married, you will love to listen Miss Shaina. How are you? Now you'll understand that. Okay, sir. I hope you understand. I hope you understood, Shaina. Most welcome, Ritesh. So, people, if you have any question, you can ask. Please ask. If you don't have any question, let me know. Rashi, how can we improve our vocabulary? Rashi, in which class are you studying? Because I'll tell you the solution as per the class. Rashi, are you in a school or college? BA. Okay, Rashi, you are in BA class. Okay. So, what are you going to do for vocabulary? Start memorizing only two vocabulary each day. Only two. And when you are giving presentation in front of me on Zoom, use those two words many times. Okay, first. Second, if you're talking with your sister Diksha, at that time, talk with her in the whole means whole day. Use that two words, whatever two words you are choosing to memorize. Memorize it in the morning and use it whole day. First solution is this. Second solution is for vocabulary. Start writing a story. But I know your story will end very soon. You can't write very long story. So start writing diary about yourself. You can write truth, you can write fake, it's up to you, because sometimes people feel that that is personal. If somebody will read, then what will happen? Maybe I'll be caught by doing that. So no problem, write something fake about your things. Modify your daily life, whatever you are doing in the whole day, write in the evening. If you are feeling if you're not feeling safe to write something, change that point, accept that, write everything on a diary. Or what is the benefit of writing diary? You'll face problem in vocabulary. Oh my god, what should I call this thing in English? At that point of time, take out Google, search that word, memorize it, but write in your diary after memorizing. So there are two solutions. First, write your diary. Second, memorize two words and use it with your sister whole day, and in evening in presentation on Google with me. Okay, and you can share in the girls group also. As you are in the group, you can share over there that this is my two words today, and always share words in a sentence. Memorize your vocabulary as a sentence, not like a word. Applied the second rule how? Okay, Ritesh saying Maithani, but sir, when Dr. Graham Bell applied the second rule, how get it which person I will talk to him is the same person or not? Means second rule is calling 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so Ritesh, do you know your mobile number? If do you know my mobile number, Ritesh? You know my mobile number? It's mean you know your mobile know your mobile will get to know that you're calling me. You're not saying your mobile phone that call is yours, sir. You are saying there dial 888 222 8755. If you're dialing this number, then you're reaching to me. Okay? Most welcome, Rashi Verma. Is there anyone else who wants to ask? Most welcome, Shiner. It's very confusing when people are not making their ID by their name. It's very hard to call. Okay, is there anything else which I need to sort out or share? If you have something, if you want to ask something, let me know. I'll be sharing that same. People, lesson number 4 ended today, last day, and we are going to start lesson number 5 very soon. Not very soon, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is group discussion day, so we will conduct a group discussion tomorrow on a topic, and day after tomorrow we will start lesson number 5, introducing others. In that lesson I'm going to teach you many things like how to introduce yourself, not yourself, how to introduce your parents to somebody, how to introduce your siblings to somebody, how to introduce your headmaster or principal to your parents in an order, in a correct format. And we'll talk about some basic words, differences, and I'll be sharing a link of native speakers video in that lesson, which is very important and useful for you. So please watch that, and very soon I'll be doing a grammar topic. I'm preparing next topic. After lesson number 5, I'm planning to start speaking and grammar both on board, not on PPT, because I'm feeling that people are not comfortable with PPT. People are very much comfortable with whiteboards. So I'll be teaching on whiteboard, and totally the whole lecture will I'll conduct on whiteboard. And as we are doing, we'll discuss in your session at 9. Is there anyone who has any doubt or question to ask? Let me know. Last 30 seconds. I hope you all go through lesson number 2. This doubt class is for lesson number 2, me and my 2, basically, but you can ask anything related to grammar and speaking or any other lesson. It's totally up to you. On the coming Sunday, I'll be doing the next doubt class on lesson number 3. So I want that new joiners please start watching lessons from lesson number 1. Don't start watching from the current lecture, because my all topics and lessons are connected with the previous one. Okay, so I think it's time to say good night and bye bye. Okay, good night. Bye bye. Take care.